Okay, on Stragger Metals here. Today I'm planting some bunches. That being for my bunny. So, some nice lettuce. Some Australian Gel Lactuca Sativa. And Thyme, Thymus Vulgaris. Which I'll be planting in these nice little pots along with that tray. The seed thing will go in there. This is actually seed tape. There's the instructions, pretty simple really. Just bury it that deep. Do need good temperature though, 10 to 20 degrees. Better off growing this indoors. I do anyway, I grow one in my window for my rabbit. It's actually quite late in the evening, about 5:30, but I'm going to be doing some late plantings. Take my mind off some other stuff. That's thinking is bad. I need watering can for that. Downstairs with my other plants. Oh. So seed tape time. Supposedly 4 pieces in here, so no, it's not. There's 3. It does say 4. Liars. That is clearly 3, is it not? Straight away begin with a lie. Typical. That's so my life. Open the packet, straight away it's been lighted. So that's the seed tape, which I need to bury about ½ centimetre in a spiral, isn't it? Yeah. Starting from the middle. Simple enough, I guess. It's basically paper, this is like tea bag material, I'd say. Try and I can rip it. It's very, very long, this seed tape. And I picked a wide bucket also. Still going to have to put some earth in over this and water it in. A little bit deeper than ½ centimetre. So the soil is very, very loose. So. Not so happy usual me as of late. Don't think I will be for a while. Not will be posting too many complex videos. I mean, basically run into the ground by my nearest relative. Flat Earth British. He's not what he seems. Not what he says he is anyway. Very evil person. But that's why I'm doing this, not the big part. Head is wrecked with all that. That's why I'm planting some nice things. Massive spoon here. Just sort of topping it off and all the gaps. You're a big bee. Probably. Lots of large bees outside my windows of late. Ooh, ice cream van. So sinister. You are a truther. You don't watch my father. One day when he's out of the way, I'll give you some real truth. Using all my knowledge. And I'm not all corrupted. The things that you've been studying, all that evil shit. Not demonology and such. Fucks you right up. Not good. Evil is a thing, people. You know what it looks like. So, lettuce. Nice water in. Oof. I need to put something under that, which is going to leak out. Should have done that. Luckily I have dozens of spare plates, so it's going to have to be a plate job. Ceramic's always appropriate though, so that's going to be a gigantic lettuce. Should be about that wide, but it's the only leaves, only these things. And that's the seed taper, which I have 2 left. So, wrap that back up because I want that for the future. Make some lovely salads, no doubt. My rabbit will love that. And I also like a salad myself. Go. Well, that didn't go too deep. I only topped it off with soil. Germination 7 to 12 days. Water, cover with soil, press down, thoroughly water again. Well, that's pretty simple, isn't it? So, thyme next in these little cute pots. I've already planted some thyme, but in a larger pot, whereas these ones will be for consuming. I'm actually going to be planting them quite a bit of food, I suspect. Well, I want to reevaluate a great many things after the last few months. For example, I no longer want land. I don't know what I want. Maybe a boat. Let's see. I mean, no one can get me out there. In the ocean. So I've been thinking about that. Cobwebs on this back garden. That bag of earth aside. What's that seed thing? And these are very, very tiny seeds, thyme seeds. Be careful just to sprinkle a few out. That's enough for one. Very small seeds. Just as a sort of sprinkling them around. As I said, this will be for consuming as well. We'll eat it. Quite a bit left in there. Germination 20 to 30 days, so this could take up to a month to grow. So a long time indeed. As opposed to the lettuce, which can take half that time, a couple of weeks. And that very, very slight water without soaking myself. There we go. It's got drainage anyway. That aside, all done. So, lettuce and thyme planted. Nothing from my chilli plants just yet. Although it has gone kind of dull and not sunny lately. Have a quick look at them. Try not to press the off button. Again. Ooh, yeah. So that is what was planted. Got the seed strip inside of here. And the thyme inside of there. And my couple of more blue. Focus. There you go. Also got some more seeds in here. Let's see what we got. Carrots. Classic. Have to plant them in a deep pot though. Which I do have. But that'll be for another planting video. Well, let me show you something actually. Good way of supplying light to these via solar power. So this high power LED strip here, which I had to solder, if you can see, it's actually e-waste scrap from the backlight of a widescreen TV. It's a 12 volt LED. I tested it with a multimeter and 12 volt supply to see if it was in fact 12 or 5 volt, and it seems it's 12. So I've made quite a few of these, which I'm using to light these plants up, as it is quite dull outside. It's not as sunny as it once was. There's my solar panels. There's 2 of these powering the lights. There's the voltage, and there's another light underneath here also, built into the shelf, which I use double-sided sticky tape in order to attach. So I'll put some plants by here probably, ones that I just planted. Well, till next time.